So in the previous video we implemented dropping. We enabled dropping of items, and in this video we're going to implement an item toolbar in our game. So item toolbar is just some panel, so item toolbar panel that you can use for storing usable items, or item toolbar items. You can call it whatever you want. So it's like a panel that contains items that you can quickly consume, to which you have a quick access. So it's so for example, if your game needs some place for storing I don't know, mana potions or health potions, you can use item toolbar for that. So just assign it to the front-end panel manager, set it to item toolbar, drag and drop all the needed prefabs. So the procedure is the same like for previous two panels, so character, the previous three panels, so crafting, inventory and equipment. Just, you know, drag and drop a panel, slot holder, so it's stuff you already know how to do. You already know what are panels, what are slot holders. So in this case, again, like in character stats, the same object is a panel and a slot holder, because in this case item toolbar panel also contains is also a direct parent of various slots. So that means that it's also panel and slot holder at once, so both of that at once. And we can check drag and drop from other panels, and just check that you can store only item toolbar items, that is only usable items. And usable items are items that are registered as usables when you register them on database manager. And now, for example, if I want to drag and drop some X, it will say that I cannot drop it, I cannot do that. Why? Because an X is not registered as an usable or item toolbar, call it how you want, item. So we can, for example, register some usable items, so you can see how it looks like. For example, I can register health potion, and make sure that you do have health potion tag. If you don't, just put it, because we're gonna assign it on health potion prefab, item prefab. Make some description, put some image. I already have an image for health potion. Assign some value to it. So all the stuff that you already know from previous videos. I said it is stackable, but it's not. Stack value won't be incremented by random amounts, but by steps of 1. And this is a key part. I check that it's consumable, and I assign a size of attributes affected to 1, and put health potion to 150, which means that the health points, I'm sorry, health points, not health potion. So health points of my character will get increased by 150 when I quickly consume this health potion. That is when I middle mouse button click it, or I don't know. No, there is no other way. So there is only when consuming item, there is only possibility of quickly consuming it by middle mouse button, or you can set it to some other button. If you go to front-end panel manager, on general settings, and you'll see consume key, quick key, and you're interested only in consume key, and you can set it to right click or to none if you don't want to implement such feature at all, and so on.